This is a challenge that you can do on your next trip or on every trip for that matter. And it helps you get out of your comfort zone and get you used to unexpected situations when you're out in the backcountry. The challenge is to intentionally leave something at home. Most of the time I carry one trekking pole with me and a single Z-Flick pole to set up my X-Mid. Now my trekking pole is also my tripod for my camera, and it means that once I set up my tent, I can't use my tripod. So for this trip, the challenge was to leave that extra Z-Flick pole at home and have to find 2 sticks. I do have that trekking pole, so I could have just found 1 stick. It just gave a little extra challenge, and I had to go out and find, a dead stick, cut it to size, and then set up my tent. So a little bit different. The other piece of gear that I left at home on this trip was a grid fleece. I almost always have a grid fleece with me, but on this trip, left it at home, and that means that I have 1 less piece of clothing, and it's a way to figure out what system works and how far you can push your clothing system. Another example, on the trip I did a few weeks ago with Dan, he left all of his water bottles at home. He just brought a metal cup as a challenge to see what it was like to drink whenever we crossed a water source and not be able to carry extra water with him. It's just a little challenge. Always stay within what's safe, but it's a great way to figure out what you can handle and how minimal you can go.